So in my last video, people were wondering how the different mudras that I showed for astrology signs actually make sense and how does that work. And even some people were saying that I'm making it up. So I'm going to clear that up right now. So as you can see here, each finger is connected to a different element. So the thumb is fire, the index finger is air, the middle finger is ether or heaven, and the ring finger is earth, and the pinky finger is water. And we also know that each zodiac sign is connected to a corresponding element such as fire, air, water, or earth. And so therefore, when you connect certain fingers together, you will be stimulating these elements within your body, and this will be corresponding to whatever element your zodiac is associated with. So for example, I am a Pisces, so holding the Buddhi mudra helps me balance more than if I were to hold the Gyan mudra. So I hope that clears things up, and thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.